Namaskar, Shubho Shondha, and a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gunjan, your host this evening, and it gives me immense amount of pleasure to be welcoming our associates, our business partners, our special guests here today, and of course, the press community of the city to this very, very special evening. A big thank you to all of you for taking time out of your busy schedules to be here today. Now, cricket and cinema. These, you can say basically, are the two religions of our country. And we thought, if we combine these two, then what happens? We can definitely produce one sensational mix of entertainment which everybody will be interested in. Now that is what the CCL endeavors to do. The CCL is played with great spirits and as intensely as any other international tournament, and of course, on equal settings. Now, in the first season of the CCL, we had film stars from Bollywood, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada film industries, and they met on a level playing ground, which is of course the cricket field. And the outcome, let me tell you, was fantastic. We had matches across Bangalore, Chennai, Vizag and Hyderabad. We had packed stadiums with frenzied fans and ear-deafening cheer. And every ball that was bowled was recognized. And trust me, you had to be there to feel the enthusiasm and excitement of the crowd. It was telecasted live on national TV as well as on various regional channels. And the first of its kind thing was that the commentary was in 4 different languages. Moving ahead, as you know, today we are here to announce Team Bengal. Along with it, we shall also have Team Malayalam this year. So season 2 is going to comprise of 6 teams. বুঝতেই পারছেন আপনারা সবাই যে we're getting set for nail-biting finishes, inspiring team huddles, of course, starry histrionics. Our CCL money এবার থেকে যেটা হবে সেটা হচ্ছে stars bhi, cricket bhi, or of course, paisa vasool entertainment. Now to proceed, I'm going to call on stage Mr. Vishnu Induri, CCL founder and managing director. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this event. CCL season 1 was great with 4 teams, 6 matches and 1 final with 4 different venues. Season 2 is going to be much bigger with 18 matches in 6 different venues with 1 international venue. The best part of season 1 was the quality of cricket displayed by film stars. It was a pleasant surprise for every one of us because we didn't expect the quality of cricket to be so good. The average scores for each of the match was almost 165. 20 overs, 165 runs is almost 8 an average. And none of us expected that. Most of the friends in different sections asked us whether they're going to bat for 20 overs. And it's superb because the quality of cricket was so great, and though the stars come onto the ground, if the quality of cricket was not good enough, no one would watch it. The television ratings were immense, like it's almost at par with any of the international cricket matches in pockets because the matches are telecasted in regional languages. Now season 2 we are going to telecast the matches in 6 different channels. That's 1 national channel and 5 regional channels with the commentary in 6 different languages. Coming to Bengal Tigers, the passion with which Mr. Boni Kapoor is handling the team is superb. I'm really thankful that he is part of the team, and thanks a lot, sir. Now, whoever missed the showreel, let's have the season 1 showreel once again. Thank you.